In today's video, we're diving deep into these two popular landing page builders, comparing them side by side. By the end of this video, you'll know which one offers the best features, value, and overall user experience. Stick around because I'll also be sharing my personal recommendation for an alternative that might surprise you. Let's start by talking about Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing platform with a wide range of tools, including a powerful landing page builder. It's designed to help businesses grow by providing everything from email marketing to sales funnels and even website creation. What stands out about Builderall is its massive feature set. You get a lot for your money, tools for email marketing, CRM, webinars, and more. But here's the catch: while you get a lot of features, the user interface can feel overwhelming. It's a bit complicated for beginners, and sometimes it's hard to find what you need without spending time getting to know the platform. Next, let's take a look at OptimizePress. OptimizePress is more streamlined and focuses specifically on landing pages, sales pages, and membership sites. It's a fantastic option if you're primarily looking to create high-converting landing pages. It integrates well with WordPress, which is a huge advantage if you're already using that platform. The drag-and-drop editor is easy to use, making it more accessible for people who aren't super tech-savvy. However, OptimizePress lacks the broader range of marketing tools that Builderall offers. It's more of a niche product, great for landing pages, but not as versatile if you need a full suite of marketing tools. The next thing to consider is pricing. Builderall's pricing is fairly competitive, offering a variety of plans to suit different needs. However, while it's affordable for what you get, it can feel a little expensive if you're just looking for a landing page builder. You're paying for a lot of extra features that you might not use. On the other hand, OptimizePress tends to be more affordable for those focused purely on landing pages, especially if you're using WordPress. It's a one-time payment, which could be more cost-effective in the long run for those who don't need the recurring costs of a subscription like Builderall. Now, let's talk about customization. Builderall offers a good amount of flexibility with its templates, and you can customize them easily. However, it doesn't always offer the best design flexibility compared to more specialized tools. OptimizePress, on the other hand, shines when it comes to customization, particularly if you're working within WordPress. You can easily integrate with other plugins and tweak your designs more freely, but again, you're limited by its scope since it's built for landing pages and funnels, not full-scale websites. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Builderall offers 24/7 support, but the quality can be hit or miss. Some users report that it takes a while to get responses, and troubleshooting can sometimes be frustrating. OptimizePress, being a more niche product, has a more focused support team, and many users find it to be more responsive. It's not perfect, but when it comes to landing pages, you're less likely to run into as many issues as you might with a more complex tool like Builderall. And here's the thing: both of these platforms are good, but they're far from perfect. Builderall's vast array of tools can be overwhelming, and OptimizePress doesn't offer the full marketing suite that some people may need. So what's the best option if you're looking for the best landing page software? After trying both of them and exploring other alternatives, I've found a better solution for those of you who want landing pages that convert well and a more user-friendly experience. If you're serious about building landing pages with a smoother process, I highly recommend you check out the free trial of the tool linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available. So, whether you choose Builderall, OptimizePress, or my recommended alternative, I hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you want the best option for landing pages, take advantage of the free trial in the description.